Ito rin yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga kabatas natin, no? If the checks and balances in our government are overridden by corruption, pag corrupt na lahat yung dapat nagbabantay sa pondo ng taong bayan, we are doomed. Pag lahat yan, magkakaalyado na sila. Pag lahat yan, meron na silang one common goal, which is to implement corruption to benefit their personal lives. Tapos na tayo. Paano, attorney, kung hindi nila masaoli? Kung hindi nila masaoli, in my opinion, that will be easily plundered. That will easily be plundered. Kasi mga kabatas natin, pag titignan mo, malversation na yan eh. Kasi ang technical malversation, ang definition ng technical malversation, mga kabatas natin, meron kang pondo na nakalaan sa isang government project. Tapos, itong pondo na ito na nakalaan sa isang government project, transfer mo sa isa pang government project. So, the technical malversation there is from one project, government project, to another government project. Also for public use. Kapag ninakaw mo na yan, that's plunder.